Hello and welcome back to Human Resource Machine, where we are at year 22 or level 22 Fibonacci Visitor. I still have not looked into Multiplication Workshop, but I will, I promise, at some point. Like, I'm just not, I don't want to deal with it right now. And then the littlest number is going to be interesting too. So ways to go. Let's just start with the Fibonacci Visitor and see what that is all about. This back hallway is for advanced employees only. Are you sure you want to be here? Well, yeah, sure. These night shift assignments are optional, you know, and they are difficult. If you need to ask for help, I'll just be here looking through these catalogs for a golden spiral. For each thing in the inbox, send to the outbox the full Fibonacci sequence up to, but not exceeding that value. Oh man. For example, if inbox is 10, outbox should be 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. What's the Fibonacci sequence? Ask your boss or a friendly search box. Well, Fibonacci sequence is, in this case, 1, and then 1 plus nothing is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and then 8 plus 5 would be 13, which is more than 10. Okay. So it just keeps adding, like 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 13 is 34, 34 plus 21 is 55, 55 plus 34 is 89. So that's a Fibonacci sequence. It just adds the previous value of the sequence to the current value, and that's the next one. So if we have 19, we have to output 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. And for 5 we would have to but not exceeding. Yeah, not exceeding, so we would have to put out 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Alright. That's going to be difficult, I think. Yeah, I think that's going to be tough. We go to the inbox. That's always a good start, right? We put that down here somewhere. And let's actually call that one, I don't know, limit. Because that's our cutoff for the sequence. Then we copy the 0. Ah man, this is tough. I copied the 0 because I don't have anything else. I copy it to, let's start here, I guess. What if I do like this? Oh, actually no, let's do it. Let's put it here. I don't know how much I need. This is going to be tough. I only need to have two saved always. I shouldn't run out of space. So if that's 1. That's always 1. Because I copied the 0, I put it down, I bump it up to 1, so it's 1. I always have a 1 here. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. Then I go to the inbox and copy my limiter down, which in this case is 19. Then I go and grab the 1, and I copy it to here. I still have it in my hand. Then I do it's going to be ugly. How does the sub work? It's what I have minus what's on the floor, right? So I copy my limiter and I subtract the value I have down. And if that is negative, break, stop. We're done. Go back to the inbox, basically, I guess. If it's not negative, I keep going. Oh, this is tough. This is really tough because I need to save two numbers now, 2 extra ones. Because if it's negative, then my sequence number is bigger than the limiter, so I shouldn't put it out anymore. I shouldn't be in the output anymore. But if it is not, then I should output it. So I should copy from whatever it is and outbox it. Copy it to here before I outbox it, I guess. Because otherwise it's going to be gone. Ah, this is so complicated. Okay, whatever. So we start here. I grab the 19, I put it down. I copy the 1. I put it down up there. I go back to my limiter to check. Which is going to be weird. Like, this is going to be the special cases. Like, if I have a 1, I need to put out 2 1s. Like, if the limiter is a 1. Up to, but not exceeding that value. Yeah, that's a special case. Let's not worry about that right now, though. Or maybe I should. I don't know. Let's not worry about it now. I copy the limiter, which is 19. 19 minus 1 is not negative, so I grab the 1, put it out in the outbox. This is tough. Oh man, this is tough. I need something else. Actually, I need to start with a 0. Oh, this is such a messy. This is really ugly code. Don't copy what I'm doing. Because now I have a 0 and a 1. This is such a terrible way to do this. Oh, there has to be a better way. I have a 0 and a 1 and 0 and 1. But now I need to alternate basically where I save, because now if I'm grabbing, like now, right now I have 0 and 1. Right now I'm copying the 1 and copying it to I would actually have to copy it here. Then I have 1 1. Then I would have to add oh wow, this is so complicated. This is insanely complicated. I would have to copy again from 1 and add 0. I have 2 in my hand. I need to compare again. This is terrible code. This doesn't work. I need to start over, I think. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Very, very bad. Let's still save this. I need to do this anyway, I think. Copy it to 0 and to 1 and then bump 1. So I have 0, 1 right here. This is so complicated because I always have to do this and then sub this way, because if I sub the other way, oh wait, if I can't copy. If I sub the other way, come on. It just inverts the logic. If it's negative, I keep going. If it's positive, I start over. And if it's negative, this is hard. These are actually tricky now. Wow. Because I need to. How do I do that? And I want to do it cleanly too. I could probably just write a lot of code, or well, not drag a lot of things in here. I have a lot of chunks, a lot of things. Okay, I have 0, and then here I have 1. Then I do 1 minus 19, which is minus 18. It's negative, so I keep going. Which means I should output something. Actually, I should output 1, which is here. And then I go copy the 1. I add the 0, and I copy that to 0. So I have 1, 1 right here. I go and subtract again. If it's 0, I keep going. How do I loop this though? This is tough. I'm not sure how to loop this. Because this is basically just the same thing. Sub, jump if negative. But if I just loop it here, would that work? I copy it down and I have 1, 1 there. Oh no, I need to add in between for sure. Wow. If it's negative, I keep going, which means I copy. Where do I copy from? Here? I'm already losing track. I should label all of this, but I'm too lazy. Okay, I put the limit down here at 8. I copy the 0, put it down twice, bump it up once. I have 0 and 1 right here. 0 and 1 are 0 and 1. I go and do 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 minus 19, which is negative. So I go and copy the 1 from the 1 field and put it in the outbox. Then I go and I copy from 1 and copy it to 0. Copy from 1, I add the 0 and I put it down. So I have 1, 1 right there. It's my current value now. I go and sub again. 1 minus 8, minus 19, whatever. Still not, it's still negative. So I copy from 1 and go to the outbox with it. And now, can I just loop this? I go here, copy the 1. I add the 1 that's in 0 now, put it down, that's 2. It's 2. I save it. 2 minus 19 is still negative. So I copy the 2, go to the outbox. I jump. But now I'm losing it, because now I copy the 1, I add the 2. I put it down as 3, but then this should be, the 1 should be a 2, not a 1 anymore. This is, like right now I have 2, 1, and what I would should end up with is 3, 2. So I need a third save somewhere. I need to save something. I have to have the current one and the last 2. And then always change that. So I should actually, what I should actually do, what am I doing here? Copy from 1, go to the outbox. And I mean, within the loop, okay, I copy from 1, which is the 1. I add the 0. And I copy that not to 0, but to 2. I need to... Man. I can't quite get it. I feel like I'm getting closer in my head. Not really in the code here. This code is a mess. And I need to save the last 2. And I do that by... I start with 0, 1. And I go and add the 0 to the 1. And I save the 1. Where? I do that up here still, right? What am I doing here? This is so confusing because I have to have that... I think I have to have that extra because of the 1s. Damn it. this is the limiter. I copy the 0, put it down, put the 1 down. I bump the 1 up to 1, which makes it 0. Then I go and check for the first time. It's negative. So I copy and put outbox to 1. Alright. Now, I copy the 1. I add the 0, makes it a 1. I put it down as there's the current one in slot 2. And then I need to also put it down I need to copy from 1, put that down at this one. Moving it over basically. And then I need to copy this to this one. And then I need to copy from again. Wow, this is messy. I'm not sure what I'm. Let's run it. I just want to see what happens here. I completely lost. Like it's too long already to just do it in my head. Oh, this is wrong. That's at least one mistake, I think. Yeah, that's one mistake at least. Because now I'm. Why do I grab this one? I shouldn't grab this one. Yeah, the copy 0 is wrong. This is not efficient at all. But yeah, it's copying from the wrong one. This should be copying from this one, right? Does it work? Do I do it? Well, it might work. It might be a special case where it doesn't work though. Yeah, if it's yeah, specific, but it fails on other possible inputs. Yeah, I talked about that. The special case if my limiter is 1, then I need to output 1, 1, basically. And that's tough to check. Well, I think I can get, like, let's see. I should have clicked the thing where she gives me the inputs that make me fail. I actually wanted to do that, but out of habit I clicked the stop button. Oh, wait, there's a different mistake, alright. It's not what I expected. 8. Okay, why is that an issue? 5 plus 3 is 8. Put down 8. Copy the 5, put it down. Copy the 8 and put it down. Copy the 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, which is not negative. So we go back up here. Wait, what? What am I doing here? Why does it... This entire loop doesn't make any sense. What am I doing here? Why does it work? Well, that shouldn't work, right? That looks completely wrong now to me. Why does it... Did I do that? I don't remember having that. If it's negative, then I'm done. I copy the result, put it in the outbox. But if it's positive, I go all the way back up? No, that's not right. This loop. Did they... What? Did I do that? Doesn't feel like... No. This loop should go here, shouldn't it? What is going on here? That was not... Did I do that? I have to rewatch that. Like, this is the entire loop thing. What happened there? I'm confused. Like, that doesn't make any sense. To go to the inbox. I'm not sure what happened there. What? No, wait, stop, what? Why did I get out of that completely? Oh no, yeah, if it's negative, I want to... if it's positive, right, I'd reverse logic. That made sense. Totally made sense. Oh man. If it's 0, I need to catch that too. Alright, that was a mistake. Yeah. I have it now, I think. Maybe. Where did that go? Here? No. Here? I should not have done that. If it's negative, I want to keep going, and if it's 0, I want to keep going to 2. Right? Is that it? I'm not sure if I have the jumps in the right position now. And that might still not work for every solution, because I still think it doesn't work if the limiter is 1. If the limit is 1... Oh no, it actually might work now. Yeah, it does. Wow. That was long. 26 instead of 19, and the steps, no way. 184. Ugh. Not doing great. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll be better next recording session. This session, I don't feel like it did a good job. These are really tough now. Like this one is tough. I mean, it's probably not that hard to optimize it because it's terror code. But then again, that might make it really hard to optimize it. Like this whole in-between thing here should not be here. I think like this entire sub 8 jump if negative jump copy from outbox, that's 4 commands easily, that shouldn't be there. Still far away. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. Anyway, this is it for this episode. Not a long one. I suck. I'm sorry. I'll try to be better next time. Yeah. Bye.